Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Nokia 5.1. This is an Android 1 program phone, as always with all the Nokia phones nowadays. And as you can see here, it has a machined aluminum unibody. I think this is a 5000 series aluminum body, and it has got a 5.5 inch 18:9 Full HD display with 16 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front wide angle camera. It has got a Snapdragon 8 octa-core processor with 3 gigs of RAM. So why wait? Let's open this up and we'll go through. Yes, that's done. I want to make this quick because, my friends, I have lot of products right now to unbox, and I'm dying to show you how the products are. And as always, I say the real unboxing. Like, I will show you as it is the box is. I will not skip anything. This is a one-take video. So you get the phone here on the left side, and you get a SIM ejector tool here, which is totally sealed inside here. As you can see here, it is sealed, so you need to not to worry about losing it. Always you can use it and just put it here and close it out. As always, we get the Nokia Care app, details, get started guide, and product safety info. We'll keep this aside, and as well, we'll check here. Yes, we get a headphone with this phone, because I think we have a headphone jack with this phone. Yes, we do have a headphone jack with this phone, and we have as well. This is a very old Nokia. You should take notes from other companies, and you should go for the Nokia, something you can call it, and make it a Nokia USB-C port, like we do now have on Samsungs and even on MI phones. And let's keep this aside, and we get a charging brick here. I can check it out if it is a quick charger or a regular charger. No, it is a normal charger. It's not a quick charger. As you can see, it has only one voltage, that is 5 volt to 2 amperes, and it don't support 9 amperes something. So this is a normal charger. So let's keep all this aside, and we'll concentrate with the phone only. Okay, my friends, let's go. Let's open this up. I need a moment of silence. Wow, just wow. It is the aluminum that I always wanted to. As you can see here, this is not totally slippery. It's very handy. It's not at all slipping from my hand. I don't know, it might be because of this color, but it is very rough. Not rough, I can't say rough, but it has a finish, such a smooth and rugged finish that it doesn't slip off. You can see here, I will show you. See, it's not slipping off on my phone. And we get a power button here, volume rocker here. We get the SIM ejector tool here, and you can add a micro SD card in here as well, using dual SIM and a micro SD card. That's a positive sense, my friends. You should think about it if you want 2 SIMs and a micro SD card. So we get a micro USB port here, the speaker is here, the microphone is here, another microphone is here for noise cancellation and video recording. Here we get the 16 megapixel camera, the dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor on the back, and 3.5 headphone jack on the top of the phone. Let's switch it on. The vibration motor is very nice. The vibration feel is very good. When I switched it on, it vibrated a lot. So here we go, friends. Android 1, and it's switching on. Wow, the Nokia tune. I forgot that. So let me set this up. So I have set up this device. Let's open this up, friends. It's already started to update the device. As you can see here, this phone, this is the first phone I'm switching it on in My all of the videos, and this phone has started in the 100%, and it has 99% charge. I have never seen this. So might be Nokia is giving full charged phone. As you can see, it is presently running on Android 8.0, but it is now downloading and updating to Android 8.1.0. And this phone will be updating to Android 9 very soon in the coming few weeks, as Nokia has given the information. And we'll go there about and we'll see Nokia, yes, Android. It is having the 5 June 2018 security patch, and presently it's downloading the new security patch, that is August. I think it will take one more 2 updates to come up to the latest version. We will go inside and search while we get here. As usual, it is a simple phone and you have the pure Android, so you won't be getting a lot of bloatware here. As you can see, it has that simple Android interface, and it has got just the needed apps and no bloatwares. Even you don't have the Google Duo app here. You need to install everything. And we will go what it's going on. It's updating the Google Play app now. And the display is nice. So let me play anything from the YouTube. We'll try, if not now, let's go. And we will play something like this one. We'll go. So as you can see here, the video quality is good here. Let me show you. Yes, it's very good here. As you can see here, we can forward the video, and we do have this pinch to zoom here function. See, the display clarity is very nice. I didn't expected this from this low-end device, but the display clarity is very nice. I like it. Phone is very fast and responsive. As you can see here, we get 3 GB of RAM here, and the storage is, let me check this out. Storage is 32 GB. As I told you, it has got 32 GB of storage. So don't worry about it, because you get a micro SD card here which supports around 128 GB, so you can add up how many master micro SD card you want to use. Rest you get dedicated Nokia tones. Some of the Nokia tones here I can show you. Yes. Yes, the speakers are very nice. So let me play a song for you so that it will be easier for you to decide that it has a good speaker or not. So here we go, friends. Let's hear the sound. This is the highest volume. So the speaker also doesn't muffle. If you can see, the speakers are very nice. I like it. So as I told you that it has got a good speaker. The treble is very good, and it has a little bit of bass in it. So should you avoid it? Should you buy it, or should you consider it? Then I will suggest to your friends, you can go ahead and buy this phone. It's very nice and I like it. The most important thing is that this phone, you can use it without any case or cover, and it also stays on the table straight without bumping around like the Apples and all. And since you have Gorilla Glass, if you like to use the naked phones, then you don't need to put a screen guard here, or you can go ahead for your simple screen guard or film or a tempered glass. But without using any case, it's fine to use here. You will not get any scratches in here. And that's all, my friends. This is the Nokia 5.1, and stay tuned to my channel. Do subscribe, and if you have any questions, as usual, you can ask in the comment section below. And lot of products coming up, my friends. Do stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Peace out.